Cleans it out. Need a coupon? No. Good. Well, I remember two of the things Trish said she wanted. Of course, they won't be on sale this week. Probably last week.
Yay, get to put it back together.
I have to go to Smith's sometime.
Okay, got the fan back on. It's clean. Clean and fresh. I'm gonna keep it cool, I hope. Okay, we had to turn these around because then it wouldn't shut if they were open. So I put this back on. I've got to put the back together, the screws in there, and the keyboard back on it. But the fan is clean now, and the hinge is fixed. So it's just a matter of putting it back together. Put the memory back in, the hard drive back in, and the screws back in it, and fire it back up. Make sure everything's still okay. So this is the end product here. Shuts. Then it opens. It's hard to do with one hand. And that's the hinge that was broken. So now it works. And then it's back to working order. There you go.